In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable the restricted mode on YouTube. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So I'm actually going to show you two different methods for PC or computer and for your mobile or phone. So firstly, the first method is going to YouTube and then clicking right here. This one should work if you are on your computer. Then you need to scroll down until you find the restricted mode. So click right here and then you can turn it on or you can disable it right here. So as you can see, this mode will hide potentially mature videos, but this is not 100% accurate. So to disable it, just click right here and now the restricted mode will be disabled. And then if you are on phone, you need to go to View right here at the bottom right and then go to the settings icon at the top right. Now go to General and Restricted Mode. So that's it. Right here you can enable or disable the option. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.